Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be servicing this Toyota Prius hybrid. So to start off with, we're gonna drain the engine oil. Right friends, now I'm under the car, and to get to the oil sump we'll have to remove this cover here. It's supposed to be secured by grommets, but on this car it's got the cable ties, so we're just gonna cut the cable ties. Right. Okay. That's one. And then this is another one. There we go. Right, we're gonna take this grommet off here. This one here. Okay. That's that out of the way. And then there's another one here, just here. Just gonna pull out this grommet. There we go. There's a third one in here. That's the cover out of the way. Okay friends, I'm using a 14 mil socket to undo this drain plug. Okay. Right, so the location for the oil filter is just here by the sump, and these Prius oil filters have a clip, like a safety clip. Right, so just gonna use a flathead screwdriver to pull this clip out. Just like that. Okay, you have to remove this clip before you undo the filter. Right, there we go. That's the oil filter out of the way. Okay, so just gonna remove the O-ring, the old one. Okay, so filter pulls out like this. We're using a Bosch filter, so the filter pushes in like this. Okay, that's the filter in place, and now we're gonna prime the O-ring, the gasket. There we go. That's how you place it, and then I'm gonna apply fresh oil on it to soften it up a bit. That's good enough. Okay friends, just gonna screw the new oil filter. Now we're gonna use the tool to tighten it more. Right, we're gonna tighten it with the belt because it's complicated using that other tool. There we go, that's good enough. Now we're gonna put the locking pin. Right, there we go, that's the locking pin. That goes in. Okay, that's that in place. Right, there we go. So we've done the oil filter. So now we're going to replace the oil sump plug. Okay, so for that we were using a 14mm socket. There we go, that's that done nicely. Okay, so now we're gonna do the air filter and the cabin filter. So we have completed all the work under the car now. Okay, so the filter is changed, the oil has been drained out. Okay, so we're gonna place the cover back on. So the cover goes in like this with the 3 grommets. So one goes here. There we go, that's in place. This is the second one. This is the third one. Goes in here like that. And the front ones again we'll have to secure it with the cable ties. So the cable tie slides in from here. Goes in from here. There we go. Right. There we go, that's good enough. Just gonna cut it with the cutter. Right, just gonna fill the engine with the engine oil, and we are using this right, we are using this Castrol Magnatec start. Okay, 530 for this Prius. Okay, I highly recommend this oil to you. So just gonna remove the engine oil cap. And the capacity for this engine is 4.4 liters. Okay, there we go friends, that's good enough. Okay friends, just gonna replace the air filter, 2 clips, and then you pull it out, pull it towards you and remove it like this. Okay, it's a like for like filter. There we go. That done. Okay, now that we have finished the service, thank you very much for watching the video.